Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon. Everyone had completed questions in brief.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, take out your copies.
Ma'am, can I show you something?
What is that thing?
Ma'am,
Yes. What is it?
Ma'am, I have made it for a garden.
Very nice. Very good. All right. So, what is the first question of answer the following in detail? List the national parks of Assam with the animals found in it. So what is the answer? Who will tell?
Ma'am, what?
List the national parks of Assam with animals found in it.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
Oh, you don't know this only what we are doing. Who is asking me what we are doing? We are doing question answers of chapter 13 beta. We did answer the following in brief in the morning period. Now we are doing answer the following in detail. The first question is, list the national parks of Assam with the animals found in it. Who will tell me the answer?
Ma'am, just find.
Yes, find it.
Ma'am, Assam has 5 national parks. Out of these, ma'am, Nagar National Park is the famous for its 100 rhinoceros, and Manas National Park has a tiger and an elephant.
Reserve. It's reserve.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So start writing. I will dictate you the answer. Everyone has written the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down. The national parks of Assam are.
Please wait. List the national park with the animals found in them.
Shall I start dictating?
Ma'am, please wait for a minute. I am writing the last word. Ma'am, please tell the answer heading.
Better write down the first question of answer the following in detail.
No, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, I'm asking that you spoke that the national parks of that. Answer.
National parks of Assam are the Kaziranga National Park. Now see the spellings from the book. Don't every time depend on the teacher to tell you each and everything. The Kaziranga National Park.
Ganga Park with one horn. Ma'am, I have written the national parks of Assam are the Kaziranga National Park with one horn rhinoceros.
Very good. With one horned rhinoceros in it. Right? In it. And Kaziranga National Park with one horned rhinoceros in it, and the Manas National Park with a tiger and elephant reserve.
Ma'am, please see.
Beta, I can't see, but it's okay. What I have told, have you written that?
Yes, ma'am, I have written the national parks of Assam are the Kaziranga National Park with one horned rhinoceros in it and Manas National Park with tiger and an elephant reserve.
Very good. Very nice. This is how you were supposed to write. Everyone has written?
Ma'am, I am writing about the Manas National Park.
You're writing about the Manas National Park. See, I'll share screen with you. Now see and write, everyone. The next question says, write a note on Nagaland. What you'll write here, you're going to write 4 to 5 lines about the state of Nagaland.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, beta, tell.
Nagaland forms the international boundary of India with Myanmar, located in the Naga Hills range. This region has wet and cool climate. Its capital city is Kohima. Nagaland is home to many tribes.
Okay. And the last line is very important. The Hornbill Festival is a big tourist attraction.
Okay, ma'am.
And the second line, instead of writing the same line from the book, what you can write, Nagaland has wet and cool climate. Write it in your words. Don't try to copy each and everything from the book. Okay. First line is the same. Nagaland forms the international boundary of India with Myanmar. Then Nagaland has wet and cool climate. Its capital city is Kohima. Then Nagaland is a home to many tribes. And after that, you can also write weaving and woodwork are the occupations of the people of Nagaland. Take little help from the book and try to frame a little language on your own. And the last line would be very important. The Hornbill Festival is a big tourist attraction of Nagaland. Everyone got it? How it is to be written?
Yes, ma'am. Still again.
Beta, now listen carefully. Open your book, take a pencil and start marking. Nagaland forms the international boundary of India with Myanmar. Then the next line will be, Nagaland has cool and wet climate. Instead of writing the same line from the book, we can make it simpler by writing, Nagaland has wet and cool climate. Its capital city is Kohima. Nagaland is a home to many tribes. Then, weaving and woodwork are the occupations of the people of Nagaland. Because see, weaving and woodwork is given, so you can add on your own that these are the occupations that the people of Nagaland follow. And the last line, the Hornbill Festival is a big tourist attraction of Nagaland.
Ma'am, I have done. I am sending on WhatsApp. I have done till question number 2.
Done, beta, you have done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then similarly, the next question is write a note on Sikkim. So you have to write a note yourself on Sikkim. Make in your language. A little help from the book and rest of it in your language.
Ma'am, did you receive?
Wait, beta, let me check. No, I have not. Okay. Nagaland forms international boundary of India and Myanmar region. Beta, this region, don't you think this should come in capital letters? P should come, and this is the second sentence. So put a full stop. This region has cool and wet climate. Its capital city is Kohima. Weaving and woodwork is the occupation of Nagaland, of the people of Nagaland. The Hornbill Festival held in early winter is a big tourist attraction. Yes, good. Mute yourself.
Ma'am, in the Nagaland, can we write that weaving and woodwork are the occupation of Nagaland people?
Yes, beta, yes, you can write.
Okay. Ma'am, I have done 3 also. Now I am sending 3 also.
Okay, beta, send.
Ma'am, sent.
Okay, beta, very good. Let me check.
Ma'am, did you receive it?
Yes, beta, I got it.
Okay, ma'am.
Just in the first line, Sikkim is the eighth state in the northeastern region. Not to the northeastern, in the north.
Ma'am, please tell third answer.
Beta, now see, read from the book and try to do it on your own. What you're going
Ma'am, now can I? Ma'am, now can I delete it from third one?
Yes, Pratyaksh, just read and tell it to others how they'll write.
Ma'am, which answer?
Write a note on Sikkim.
Okay, ma'am. Sikkim is the eighth state in the northern east region. Sikkim is bordered by Bhutan, Tibet, and Nepal. It is a popular tourist destination. Farming and weaving are the two major occupations. The red panda is found in this state. Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim.
Got it, everyone? Children done? Yes, Rishabh, Shesh, Athar, Avni, Dhruv, Kanishka. Everyone has done or not? No one is replying. What is wrong? Okay, children, give me your today's attendance. I have not taken it in the morning. I'll take it now.
Ma'am, Kanishka done.
Kanishka done? Very good. Kanishka, who all were there in the morning classes? Please tell me. Right now, there are very less students. Athar, Avni.
What, ma'am?
Who all were there in the morning classes? Because right now, I can see very less students. Stuti was there in the
Ma'am,
morning
I
class.
don't know.
Okay, Vikas was there. You were also not there, huh? That is why you don't know.
Ma'am, I have completed my work. I was not there because my internet was not coming.
Okay, beta. Tell me, Anmol was there in the morning class?
Ma'am, I think she's no, but he's not here now.
He was there in the morning.
Ma'am, I don't know.
It is so difficult to track students in the online classes. God knows when.
Ma'am, I didn't like online classes.
Huh? What?
Ma'am, I didn't like online classes.
You don't like, yes.
Oh,
What happened? Everyone has done.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please see.
Yes.
Ma'am, please see.
What is it, beta?
Ma'am, work.
Which work? So, beta, do you think that it is visible here? Do you think it is very much visible?
Ma'am, I have done and send it on group.
Very nice. Very good. Everyone has done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, time for little oral revision of this chapter. Ready? Mekhla chadar is a dress of which state? Mekhla chadar is a dress of which state? Who will tell? No one knows, huh? No one knows. Mekhla chadar is a dress of Assam.
Assam, ma'am. Assam.
Yes. In which state is the Hornbill festival celebrated?
Ma'am, Nagaland.
Nagaland.
Ma'am,
Very
Nagaland.
good. In which state do people build stilt houses?
Ma'am, Arunachal Pradesh.
Arunachal Pradesh. Very nice. Where is the Namdapha National Park located? Where is the Namdapha National Park located? It is also in Arunachal Pradesh. Don't raise your hand, you can answer. Which state has the highest literacy rate?
Meghalaya. Ma'am, Mizoram.
Mizoram. Beta, it's Mizoram. Where is the red panda found? In
Ma'am,
which-
Sikkim.
Sikkim. Very nice.
Sikkim.
Very good. Where are the Khasi, Garo and Jaintia hills found?
Ma'am, Meghalaya.
Meghalaya. Very nice. Very good. So that's all for today.
Meghalaya.
Yes. That is all for today. You all